If you'd like to see my beautiful client go from her natural state to a beautiful red silk press, stay tuned and I'll be back right after this. Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. Today I'm going to explain to you how I got dragged with this young lady for our first video that we did, and I'm here to redeem myself on this video. But first, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and go ahead and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Okay, so I'm going to start off with what happened. About a year and a half ago, I did a video on this young lady, and I dyed her hair and I gave her a silk press for her natural state. She's a 4C. So, my voiceover, I was hoo-humming and saying, oh my goodness, it's so hard to do her hair, and it's so hard to flat iron her hair, and I work hard for my money. That's exactly what the video was called. I worked hard for my money. And I made a big deal about how hard it was to do her hair. I want to say, first of all, it was not hard to do her hair. This is what I do. I was kind of new to YouTube. I was trying to get views, so I thought that if I said, oh my goodness, it's so hard to do her hair, and then when y'all saw at the end how I did her hair so nicely, you'd be like, oh, okay, that was good. Kind of backfired in my face. I had a few viewers who were not so pleased with me by saying it was so hard to do her hair. They were saying this is why I don't go to the salon, because stylists like you complaining about my hair. First of all, it was a voiceover. I would never say anything to my clients in the shop about how their hair is too coarse for me to do, because I could do any type of hair in my sleep with my eyes closed. So on that note, I just want to apologize to my 4C community, and I do not do that in the salon. I do not complain about people's hair, but I did do it on YouTube, and I just want to apologize. That being said, guys, I want to go ahead and get started on this silk press. Now, my client usually wears her hair natural, and she usually just comes to me when she wants her color, or she did it a couple of times. She did a big chop and we just colored it and then just cut it, and she had a little afro or whatever. But today we are going to color it, and we're going to blow it out and silk press it today. So with that being said, let's get started straight on this video. Oh, I'm gonna link that original video down below if you guys would like to watch it. Like I said, don't blame me or judge me. I was just kidding. It was all for YouTube views, and that was that.
Got my key in the door. I can't help thinking you'll be there. Oh, I keep falling back, acting so damn insecure. Don't get me wrong, when I wake in the morning, all of these feelings are gone. Why are you here in the back of my mind? Maybe I just need somebody that you feel the space, you know how to do it just right. Maybe I don't really feel, cause this desire's only shallow, and I'm a mess alone when I'm on my own. And maybe I don't really miss you. I just see the silence late at night. I think I need someone to hold me. Restless and cold in my bones, I just can't sleep when I'm alone. I just can't sleep when I'm alone. I just can't sleep when I'm alone. As I'm lying in bed, I can't help wishing you'll be here. I would a breath on my neck, whisper that I do you best. I toss and I turn till 4 in the morning, sleepless in these empty sheets. If you were here, you can come to my mind. I know I just need somebody tonight. You feel the space, you know how to do me just right. Maybe I don't really feel, this desire's only shallow, and I'm a mess alone when I'm on my own. And maybe I don't really miss you. I just need the silence late at night. I think I need someone to hold me, who's restless and cold in my bones. I just can't sleep when I'm alone. I just can't sleep when I'm alone. I just can't sleep when I'm alone. That look, babe, I know what's on your mind. Whatever you need, babe, I see it in your eyes all the time. We could be in Paris or in Spain, in the bathroom on a plane. Girl, I bet you glad you came. You know I'ma make you moan. I'ma make you moan. We could be in Sydney or Vancouver, in the backseat of an Uber. Girl, the way that I maneuver, you know I'ma make you moan. Even over the phone, I'ma make you. Make you. Bend down low, babe. I'll blindfold your eyes. You don't need to see me when you're on your knees, waiting. Baby, say please, and then I'll make you scream. We could be in Paris or in Spain, in the bathroom on a plane. Girl, I bet you glad you came. You know I'ma make you moan. I'ma make you moan. We could be in Sydney or Vancouver, in the backseat of an Uber. Girl, the way that I maneuver, you know I'ma make you moan. Over the phone, I'ma make you. I'ma make you.
Testing. I can't hear myself. I'm recording. What? Hey, yes. Am I doing the higher version or lower? And I'm laughing at the same time. Yeah. This can't be real. What's the deal? All these feels still I can't feel anything. This can't be real. What's the deal? All these feels still I can't feel anything. 'Cause I'm numb. I know it might sound dumb. 'Cause I'm numb. I can't be the only one. Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night gotta close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories. But I don't even know what's next. But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Million things I don't know what to do. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Million things I don't know what to do. Slide into your mind so silky. Up under the town we fly. Clean it up just to make it filthy. Under the sheets all night. Under the sheets all night. Under the sheets all night. It's 3 a.m. I got your call. I know you've been in need of inspiration, but know your time trying to control. Eventually gonna need
Alright
some
guys, so this is the final look.
across
Once
your
again, I want to apologize for that first video, all that capping I was doing. As you see, I do anybody's hair. I don't care. It doesn't matter what texture you have or how it is. Whatever you want, I'm going to do it because I am Miss Magic. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. And give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. And I hope to see you guys in past, present, and future videos. Love you guys. Bye.